Are you thinking of moving to Clinton, New Jersey? Hello, my name is Mary Malone of Coldwell Banker Realty and the Lux Service Group. I am standing here today in downtown Clinton next to the amazing Hunterdon Art Museum and across the river from the iconic Red Mill. Clinton is known for its fabulous restaurants and quaint shops. Let's check out downtown and Main Street, and then we'll head on over to Beaverbrook and to Westchester Terrace. Welcome to Westchester Terrace. Let's go check out the inside. This property is located just 5 minutes from downtown Clinton. It's shops and all the amenities, as well as easy access to 78 and public transportation to New York City. Thank you for taking the time today at my new listing. For more information about this property and any other property, check out my website at www.luxservicegroup.com.